I'm a soldier, bro. I just stand there until I'm done with this.
All right, so we're back home.
Mother Lee said, "Why is it hot right there?"
What part?
Hey, you step up the dishes. I got it off. You said you stand there. You said, "Why is it warm?"
Who? What is what warm? Who's warm?
Carpet.
The carpet is warm?
Yep.
What carpet? We don't have carpet down here.
That carpet right there.
Oh, the rug by the sink. I don't know why it's warm.
Yeah, you said it was warm when Jason was standing there.
Yeah, but that was a long time ago. But Jason was like, yeah, that was, yeah.
3 weeks ago?
All right, so kids are doing chores. We switch chores around. Jason used to be a dishwasher, and he said that he has mastered dishwashing, so he wanted to move on. He wanted to move on to something else. So, you want to tell them your new chore? You want to tell them your new chore now? You have to clean the bathrooms and baseboards. There you go.
It's not really a problem with bathrooms.
You don't have a problem with bathrooms?
It's really easy.
It's easy. It's very easy. All you have to do is make sure that the bathrooms are maintained on a daily basis, and you shouldn't have a problem, because if you're keeping up with it every single day, it's not hard. So you should move on from that chore pretty soon. It shouldn't take you that long. It shouldn't take you years to master that. Hopefully Jaxson will move. Oh, that's the chore list right there.
I enjoy doing it.
Did you complete your chore? Jaxson has hallway. Let's make that clear for everyone that, you know, all the kids have chores. So Jaxson has hallway, and Jaxson has to make sure that the floor, everything on the floor is picked up, and he vacuums the hallway upstairs. Seems fair, right? Destiny, then she wanted to wash dishes, so she's now a dishwasher. Jordan kept his original chore, which is drying and putting away, which we still can't find half the dishes around here. So he haven't mastered that, so we haven't upgraded his chore. He's still, but he does like working with Destiny better than Jason, because he says Jason is rude. It's rude. Jason is rude. And he enjoys working with Destiny because Destiny is a little bit more softer with him. Like, she's a little bit more...
She actually sweats it. Jason just throws it on her.
Okay. So, he enjoys that. So, hopefully that will calm some of his anxiety with putting away dishes. And hopefully we can find the dishes that are lost around here and not put away in their, you know, correct spot. But it's okay. He's learning. I appreciate, you know, him actually doing what he's supposed to do. You know, most of the time they don't get put away. Like, I'm going to show y'all on a day when Jordan put dishes away and he doesn't complete it. I will show you guys. But he still tries, you know, and I'm proud of him. Like, yeah, look, you see? This is Jordan. This is not how this is supposed to be. As soon as you go in here and try to pull something out, it comes tumbling down. There was a system in there. It's fine. Don't try to do it right now. Put it back. One of these days, I will go through and toss what we're not using. Because of COVID, we no longer use lunch containers anymore, so that's there.
I don't know why we have so much plastic in here. Because we love plastic.
You don't know why? Because remember you when you were much younger, like 2 years ago, you used to take lunch to school. Remember? Why is there so many? I don't know. We probably we haven't decluttered that and get rid of stuff we're no longer using.
That's why I can't.
May you get one?
There's stuff
sure, go ahead.
That was here from years ago.
But anyways, we are home, and I am
I just connected.
I need to go eat because I haven't had anything. Hey, I haven't had anything to eat
What's it called?
all day, so I need to go figure out something to eat. And also, I'm in the process of, because our biggest project this year, 2021, Happy New Year. Happy 2021. I mean, we're up in here like so, okay? The lighting, I need it to change. All right, there. And for the biggest project in our home this year, our countertops, because as you can see, I still have the brown laminate countertops. Nothing's wrong with them. It just does not flow with my home in the color scheme that I have. So it's brown. I wish it was a different color. If it was a different color like black and white, I would have totally kept the laminate countertops.
White marble.
And I wanted to paint them, but Rob was like, no, he doesn't think it's gonna hold up to, like, you know, the wear and tear of how much we use our kitchen, because we use our kitchen every single day, because we don't eat out unless it's like a special occasion or something. We don't eat out. So I'm looking for quartz countertops because those are more manageable in terms of, you know, like granite versus granite. So I'm looking for quartz countertops under $60 per square feet. And that's kind of like challenging, but at the same time, it's doable. You know, if I have to go up a little bit in budget, I mean, I would. I think our island here is gonna be expensive because, you know, it's so huge. It's so huge because you have to go from here over, and I want to extend the countertop out a little bit more, just a little bit, not too much, just so it lines up with or I think it's lined up. Maybe it's just me. I think it's lined up. I think it's fine, but I wanted it to come out a little bit more so we have a little bit more eating space for us.
Bring it over here?
No, not there, honey. Over here where we sit and eat. Just a little bit, but that's that. And of course we're getting our fence this year. We saved up, and Rob is gonna pull a good chunk of the rest of it out of his 401k because that's a better payback for loan. And with what we have saved up so far, we're just gonna go ahead and get a privacy fence back there because I think it's time. It's due time that we get our backyard fenced in. So yeah, yes, that's the bin. That's the garland. So put the garland, lights, ornaments. Which one is this? Picks, floral picks, picks, small trees, and floral. I have more floral this year, so I probably need to go back up. This is tabletop decor. This is garland. Those go in a bin that says wreaths. Girls are taking down that thingy right there. This is what is that? Ribbons. So put ribbons bin there. All the decorations from outside is already off. I took all the wreaths off the windows. That was fairly simple this year because all I had to do was pull them. Previous years they would drop outside and I'd have to go pick them up from outside, but this year, no, very simple. So all the bins are up, right, Jordan? Yes? My house is getting ready to be so bare. Good job, girls. Poor child, she's so ashy. Mm-hmm. What are you doing, Daddy?
I gotta get behind the tree.
Oh, okay. You can push. You can pull the tree out, or you can wait until I take the tree down. You want to wait until I take the tree down?
Now I'm gonna get to the plug.
Okay. Yeah, don't pull it. Don't drag the bulb. Here, we can turn the light on. Don't drag the bulb on the floor because it will cause it to not work this year when we put it back up. So yeah, be careful with the bulbs. It's very gentle. You can take this down, Jason, if you want something to do. You want to help? Okay. Take this down. So anything that's, so this is a garland. So you take that off and you define the garland bin, which I don't know what Rob's doing right now because you always choose to do the most when I'm doing something. Okay. Where's garland? Garland's right here, Papa. So open that and put the garland in there. All right? Or better yet, we can make a pile of all the different things, and then when we're done, we just find the bands and put them in. Okay? Do you think that's a better? What's wrong with you? You think that's a better way? Yeah? All right. Papa, you want to do something? You look bored. All right. So take everything off the other surfaces and put them on this big table right here. That way we can just go ahead and start organizing. So separate by trees. So you put the trees in their own pile. You put garland on the floor. All the nativity people. Be careful with the lights. Be very gentle, please. If it's very difficult for you, just leave it alone and just take what you can. So, yeah, thanks. Are you bored? Here you go. This little table right here. Take all the decor off of it and bring them to the big table. Dinner is going in the air fryer. The last couple nights, lunch, whatever. Rob did. So that's it right now. And then it automatically picks back up from where it left off. This is so good. You're hungry? What do you want to eat? You want a sandwich? Ooh, I have black cake in here. Let me see how good this black cake is. I don't think this is good anymore. Yeah. So you want a sandwich? Okay.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. So fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time.
Okay, so Rob's doing Brussels sprouts. Ooh, those look good. Chicken's done. Chicken is done. So I keep saying dinner. This is lunch. These are boiled, and these are garbanzo beans. Curry? Is this curry, babe? I don't know what you're doing in the kitchen, but it smells amazing. All right, so I have to deep clean, but not today. But at least everything's, out the space. I have to decorate. I don't know what I'm going to decorate for, whether it be winter or spring. But I feel like it's too early for spring. Too early. Juju, go outside.
Come on.
Go outside. Juju, go outside. Go. No, go outside. Go pee-pee. Go pee-pee.